Thank you for joining us today, and welcome to Bunker Supply's presentation of the Naval Aircrew Emergency Armor Release, or also known as NASER, for Navy's STP program. I am going to be speaking with you about our company and our life-saving armor release technology. The Naval Aircrew Emergency Armor Release is designed to allow aircrew to selectively jettison hard armor plates in the event of a crash or emergency landing in water, without needing to shed other mission-critical equipment secured to the flight vest. NASER is a life-saving technology designed to be easily accessible and deployable in emergency situations. First, some perspective on us. Bunker Supply is a design-forward U.S. military contractor that develops and manufactures optimized equipment for agents in the field. We exist to optimize operator capabilities and safety through innovation and human-centered design. Our team is comprised of industry-leading product development experts in design, engineering, manufacturing, and marketing, with backgrounds in machine design, electro-optical systems, electronics, sporting goods, SAR equipment, and DoD contracts. NASER is a SBIR-funded technology initiative developed with PMA 202 for the U.S. Navy to create an innovative, affordable body armor release system capable of retrofit into existing survival vest platforms. Collaboration with NAVAIR and Naval Facilities Engineering and Expeditionary Warfare Center has ensured the NASER quick-release armor solution is designed to perform in the most demanding operational and survival conditions. Most current armor emergency release systems are outdated and inefficient, which ultimately jeopardizes the warfighter's survivability in maritime environments and compromising our competitive edge. Current solutions either involve complicated rigging and require careful donning, or are unreliable in operation, burdening the rigging and inspection process, or poses an increased risk to the aircrew who may not be able to actuate the solution when it matters the most. Other solutions completely separate the vest from the wearer, which eliminates the use of those survival, medical, recovery, and war-fighting equipment that the aircrew may need in follow-on survival or recovery situations. As tensions continue to escalate in the Indo-Pacific and conflict potential near water intensifies, our warfighters face new threats, unlike those encountered since the turn of the century. It is now more imperative than ever to modernize the current armor release systems. In the past, most of our battlefields were in dry environments, but as time moves on, it seems that more time will be spent around open seas and waterways. NASER significantly enhances the survivability of our military personnel, ensuring more service members return home safely. The value of American lives is immeasurable, and the loss of a highly trained pilot or aircrew member, who costs millions to train, has far-reaching consequences. Over recent years, multiple tragic overwater crashes have resulted in the loss of not only lives, but also irreplaceable experience, diminishing fleet readiness and operational efficiency. Bunker Supply's product mitigates these losses, saving on replacement costs and preserving operational capacity. By retrofitting legacy vests with state-of-the-art NASER technology, units can maximize the lifespan of existing equipment, enhancing both safety and cost efficiency. The Naval Aircrew Emergency Armor Release System is engineered for rapid, precise deployment. This solution enables operators to jettison their hard armor plates in under 1 second, without compromising their survival or mission-critical gear. The system's retrofit insert integrates seamlessly into the armor and can be instantly disengaged by pulling the release handle downward, ensuring fast and reliable armor removal during emergency situations. The NASER system enhances survivability by allowing operators to jettison hard armor in under 1 second with one hand, improving mobility and buoyancy in emergencies. Soft armor and mounted gear remain in place, ensuring continued functionality. Its lightweight, slim design stands out among similar technologies, and the retrofit process takes just 7 minutes per vest. Universal components are compatible across multiple vest platforms, simplifying procurement and reducing unique parts. NAS-EAR can be installed by equipment specialists at standard maintenance shops, and by retrofitting existing vests, it avoids the need for new vest designs. With a projected material cost of $300 per berry and minimal replacement costs after ejection, NAS-EAR offers significant cost savings. The system consists of an outer chassis inserted into the vest and an inner sleeve that secures the hard armor plate, making it versatile across various vest platforms. The diagram illustrates how the retrofit kit is customized for each vest platform, including all components and step-by-step instructions for integrating the Universal Bunker Emergency Release Insert. Each berry includes a chassis subassembly and plate sleeve subassembly. Each chassis subassembly is retrofit to the intended vest platform via a retrofit kit. After retrofit, the hard armor is inserted into the plate sleeve subassembly, which is then inserted into the chassis subassembly and retained with a locking cable passed through alternating loops. NAS-EAR is designed for speed, reliability, and effectiveness. A series of alternating retaining loop elements secure a release cable, ensuring the hard armor stays firmly in place within the vest. The hard armor can only be removed by pulling the emergency release handle, which disengages the release cable from the retaining loops, allowing the bottom of the vest to open and release the armor with a pulling motion, overcoming any friction in the system. NAS-EAR is highly compatible and adaptable to multiple vest platforms. Each berry assembly is currently sized to fit respectively sized PRU 70 and CMU 3738 armored survival vest platforms. This universal compatibility reduces logistical efforts and streamlines preparations at retrofit and maintenance level. Initial studies have demonstrated that the same berry can retrofit to other platforms, validating the scalability of the system. The plate sleeve is designed to accommodate all types of armors, including lightweight plate, enhanced small arms, protective insert, swimmer's cut, and shooter's cut. The universal berry can be fitted into multiple platforms by utilizing different retrofit kits. The retrofit can be done in approximately 7 minutes. This is achieved in 4 simple steps that can be easily mastered by all sewing proficiency levels, with common equipment found at O-level shops. The retrofit leverages pre-assembled components and templates, ensuring a straightforward and efficient process. It allows for the implementation of simplified operational protocols and utilizes commonly available machines and tools. The steps of the retrofit include removing existing hard and soft armor pockets from the vest, sewing on pre-assembled panels using included templates, installing the berry to the upper and lower anchors, and visually inspecting utilizing go-no-go gauges. Leveraging a retrofit solution reduces the development, testing, and thus implementation timeline compared to designing an entirely new vest. The evaluation focused on operator interaction, structural and material integrity, and in-pool assessment during testing. Beyond being intuitive and simple to actuate, NAS-EAR showed that it was designed to withstand exceptionally harsh operational environments, ensuring the solution performs as expected when needed most. It also showed that its balanced design minimizes bulk and weight imposed on the wearer, while still providing adequate safety factors in worst-case, life-critical scenarios. The testing shown here is courtesy of NAVFAC EXWC at Port Hueneme, California. There have been numerous successful pool testing events, which include actuation timing, Navy assessment at the Naval Facilities Engineering and Expeditionary Warfare Center, and capabilities testing at the Helicopter Sea Combat Wing Pacific at Navy Air Station, North Island. The technical specification of NAS-EAR includes actuation in less than 1 second, weighs less than 1 pound, has a nominal thickness of 0.08 inches, takes less than 75 seconds to install, and takes less than 10 seconds to inspect. It was tested to endure greater than 10 G crash loads, while requiring about 5 pounds of pull force to actuate. The system can be actuated with one hand, whether it is with gloves on, cold, or dry. Compatible with existing vest platforms and different armor plates, it operates in different types of water contents. With safety concerns in mind, it does not create hazards in less than 5G forces operations, does not interfere with other vest-mounted gear, does not impede water or land survival procedures, does not contribute to burn injury hazards, and is resistant to naval aviation environments to include petroleum, oil, and lubricants with high UV resistance. The initial target application is toward the rotary wing and tiltrotor aircrew of the U.S. Navy, utilizing the CMU 37 and 38P vest and the PRU 70 and 70AP vest. With the technology application being easily applied to multiple styles of survival vests, the following targets will include the medium tiltrotor squadrons and light attack helicopter squadrons within the U.S. Navy, Marine Corps, Army, Air Force, and Coast Guard. On the civilian side, for local law enforcement, air and marine operations, Office of Field Operations, and Border Patrol tactical units under Customs and Border Protections. As you can see, there has been a great deal of time spent to mature and perfect this technology to where we are today. 3 years ago, Bunker Supply was awarded the Phase 1 SBIR. Dates to note are Phase 2, granted April 2022, Subsystem Testing Report provided December 2023, and In-Pool Testing Report provided January 2024. The Phase 2 final report is scheduled to be delivered April 2025, after which the solution should be ready for acquisition in size medium for the PRU 70 and CMU 3738. The Phase 2 option focuses on transitioning the solution to different sizes. Our request is to conduct additional assessments, test and evaluation events, and establish a Phase 3 to adapt the technology for the variety of vests currently used by our military. This effort would also help refine the retrofit kit, enabling early adoption of the technology to a wide customer base. Lastly, we seek support and interest from key individuals in the acquisition sector as the technology reaches maturity. Bunker Supply's points of contacts are listed on this slide. The NASIR concept is invaluable for those in the military units that lose valuable personnel to over-the-water crashes every year. Increase survivability today.